Welcome to No Excuse Academy, where success begins with discipline. No Excuse Academy, helping students study smarter and achieve more. One of the most effective yet often overlooked strategies for exam success is the use of past questions. Many students spend hours reading textbooks and notes, but they do not practice with actual exam questions. As a result, they may understand the content but struggle to apply it during exams. In this episode, we will explore how using past questions can significantly improve your exam performance and help you study more effectively. First, let us understand what past questions are. Past questions are questions that have appeared in previous examinations. These questions reflect the format, structure, and pattern that examiners often use. By studying past questions, students gain insight into how topics are tested, not just what to study. One of the biggest benefits of using past questions is familiarity. When students practice past questions, they become familiar with the style of questions they are likely to encounter in the exam. This reduces anxiety and makes the exam feel more predictable. Instead of facing completely new questions, students recognize patterns and feel more confident.
Another important benefit is identifying important topics. Examiners often repeat certain topics over time. When students review past questions, they begin to notice which topics appear frequently. This helps them focus their revision on areas that are more likely to be tested. Using past questions also improves time management. Many students struggle to complete exams within the allocated time. Practicing past questions under timed conditions helps students learn how to manage their time effectively. They become faster at reading, understanding, and answering questions. Another key advantage is improving answer techniques. Past questions allow students to practice structuring their answers properly. They learn how to present their ideas clearly, use appropriate terminology, and avoid unnecessary mistakes. This is especially important for essay and structured questions. It is important to note that past questions should not replace studying. Instead, they should be used alongside proper revision. Students should first understand their notes and then use past questions to test their knowledge.
Now that we understand the importance of past questions, let us look at how to use them effectively. The first step is to practice actively. Do not just read past questions and the answers. Instead, attempt the questions yourself before checking the solutions. This approach forces your brain to think, recall information, and apply knowledge. It helps you discover what you truly understand and what still needs improvement. The second step is to simulate real exam conditions. Set a timer and try to complete the questions within the same time limit as the actual exam. Sit in a quiet place, avoid distractions, and treat the practice session as if it were a real test. This habit trains your mind to stay focused under pressure and improves your ability to manage time effectively during the actual exam. Another important strategy is reviewing your answers carefully. After attempting questions, compare your answers with correct solutions or marking guides. Do not rush through this step. Take time to understand why an answer is correct and where your response may have gone wrong. This process strengthens your understanding and helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes. Students should also keep a record of their mistakes. If you notice that you frequently make similar errors, write them down in a notebook. These could include misunderstanding certain topics, forgetting key points, or poor time management. By tracking these mistakes, you become more aware of your weaknesses and can focus on improving them. Another useful approach is grouping questions by topics. Instead of practicing randomly, focus on one topic at a time. For example, solve all past questions related to a particular subject area before moving on to another topic. This method helps you master each topic thoroughly and builds confidence as you progress. It is also important to practice consistently. Do not wait until exams are very close before using past questions. Regular practice over time helps you become familiar with different question styles and reduces anxiety. Consistency also improves speed and accuracy, which are essential during exams. Students should also learn how to analyze question patterns. Over time, you may notice that certain topics or question styles appear repeatedly. Paying attention to these patterns helps you prioritize your revision and focus on areas that are more likely to be tested. However, it is important not to rely only on repeated questions. Always aim to understand the concepts behind them. Another key point is avoiding the habit of memorizing answers without understanding. Some students try to cram past question answers, hoping they will appear exactly the same in the exam. This approach is risky and often ineffective. Examiners may change the wording of questions and memorized answers may not fit properly. Understanding the concept allows you to answer any variation of the question confidently. Students should also combine past questions with their study notes. After revising a topic, immediately practice related past questions. This helps reinforce what you have learned and makes your revision more practical and effective. Let us summarize how to use past questions effectively. Attempt questions actively before checking answers. Practice under timed conditions. Review your answers carefully and learn from your mistakes. Keep a record of repeated errors and work on improving them. Group questions by topics to build strong understanding. Practice consistently over time. Analyze question patterns and focus on key areas. Avoid memorizing without understanding. Combine past questions with your study notes. When used correctly, past questions become one of the most powerful tools for exam success. They help you prepare smarter, not just harder. Instead of guessing what might appear in exams, you train yourself using real exam patterns and expectations. With consistent practice, you will notice improvement in your confidence, speed, and overall performance. If you found this episode helpful, subscribe to No Excuse Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss future lessons designed to help you succeed academically. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will discuss how to stay calm and confident during exams. No excuses, just learning, just results.